How to withdraw or transfer money from AstroPay to bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pippin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from AstroPay to bank account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to transfer the money, simply open up your AstroPay application wallet and go ahead and tap on the transfers option. Then in the send money tab, choose to a bank account option or to a debit or credit card option respectively. Then you want to select the wallet you want to withdraw from, enter the withdrawal amount and choose the method from those available in your country. Next step is to enter all bank information. Also, make sure to review the data provided, as the request cannot be cancelled after submission. Review the amount to be received and any fees that may be charged. Also make sure you agree with the processing period and simply confirm it. This is how you can easily withdraw money from AstroPay to bank account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.